Good morning, fantastic first graders. This is Miss Holland, and I'm here to do your lesson today. We're going to work on counting money. We're going to start off with this book right here, and the title is Counting Money. This book should be pretty easy for you guys, and it's located in Benchmark Universe, our reading program that you can access by going to the CRE Student Dolphin page and logging in that way. So feel free to check it out after we read it together. But let's go ahead and get started. Let's look through it together. Counting money. Ooh, and look at that coin that boy has. If you know what kind of coin that is, I want you to yell it out right now. Ready, set, go. That's a quarter. Great job. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Wow, look at all this money. What coins can you name? Think in your head and think of all the coins that you know the name to. I'm thinking right now, I know the quarter, the dime, the nickel, and the penny. If you knew those names of those coins, I want you to go ahead and kiss your brain. And here's our title page where it reminds us of the title, Counting Money. And this person has some big dollar bills. Here our book gets started. Please feel free to read with me. This book should be a good, easy book for all of our friends. And then we're going to talk on each page. I am counting my money so I can ride the bus. How much money do I have? Oh, wow. What kind of coin is that? I want you to think. Look at that coin real closely. And if you think you know that coin, yell it out. Oh, my goodness. You're absolutely right. That is a dime. Let's count them together. When we count dimes, we count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This man has 50 cents to ride the bus. I am counting my money so I can buy some candy. How much money do I have? Ooh, this is tricky. If you look really closely, you can tell that right here we have 5 dimes, and here there are 2 nickels. When we count dimes, like we just did, we count by tens, and when we count nickels, we count by fives. So let's go ahead and count our dimes first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We have 50 cents in dimes. Now I'm going to count my nickels. 5, 10. I have 10 cents in nickels. So if we take 50 cents here and add 10 cents together, we're going to get 60 cents. And next year, when you get into second grade, I'm going to show you how second graders count coins. They go. They start with the coin that's worth the most money first, which would be our dimes because they're worth 10 cents. And they go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then I know these are 5, so now I go 55, 60. And they count them together like that. So here is 60 cents. I just double checked. I am counting my money so I can go on a ride. How much money do I have? Look at the boy on the carousel. That looks like so much fun. Let's count his dimes first. Let's count by tens together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 cents in dimes. And then let's count our nickels by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 cents in nickels. So we need to do 50 plus 20. That's really big numbers. See if you can add 5 and 2 together and see what number you get. 7. So if 5 plus 2 is 7, 50 plus 20 must be 70. 70 cents are what we have right here. I'm going to show you how the second graders count just to make sure I did it right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 70 cents are what we have right here. I am counting my money so I can eat my lunch. How much money do I have? Wow, let's start with our dimes first. Do you remember how much they're worth? Perfect. Let's go ahead and count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now, let's go ahead and we'll count our nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20. And our pennies, we count those by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know 60 plus 20 is 80, plus 5 is 85. So this should be 85 cents. I'm going to count like a second grader to double check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 85 cents. I am counting my money so I can buy a drink. How much money do I have? And here we have our dimes again. You guys are getting experts. I know that you know that those are 10 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we have our 2 nickels, 5, 10. 50 plus 10 more is 60. So this should be 60 cents. Let's double check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. This little girl says, I am counting my money so I can buy a balloon. How much money do I have? Well, now we have lots of different kinds. So let's start with our dimes first. You guys are experts. Count by tens with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 cents in dimes. Let's count those nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 cents in nickels. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cents in pennies. So I know that I have 60 plus 20 plus 5 should be 85. Let me count like a second grader to find out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85 cents. She looks happy. I am counting my money. How much money do I have? Here we have our dimes. We all know that there were 10 cents. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Plus our nickels. Nickels are worth what? Yell it when I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, very good. They're worth 5 cents. So count with me. 5, 10. And our pennies are worth what? I want you to whisper it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 cent. Very good. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cents. So 60 plus 10 is 70, plus 5 cents is 75. Let me double check that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. I am putting my money in my bank. This girl's being very responsible, saving her money. You guys did a very nice job reading and counting along with me. Now you guys have a fun math activity to do that was assigned to you for your assignment today. You have counting money, and it goes along with the book. If you want to open up the book and use the book while you complete this, you can, but it also has pictures of the coins right here to help you. And you don't have to combine any coins right now. You're just looking at the coins and using them to help you count. So first it says, how many dimes does it take to ride the bus? You're going to count how many dimes there are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to click and add a 5 right there. And then I want to know how many cents that is. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That would be 50 cents. 50 cents right there. You guys are going to do the rest of this page with the other coins that are in here. There's more dimes. Here you're going to do just the nickels. You don't have to combine them. Here's some more dimes. How many nickels is it to ride the carousel? And then here's the little girl that wants to buy lunch. How many dimes, how many nickels, and how many pennies? And then lastly, the girl who wants to buy the balloon. You're going to count how many, write the number of the coin right here, And then over here, you're going to write how many cents that is total when you add up just that amount of that coin. And that shouldn't be too hard. You guys are super smart, so I know that's going to be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's try a couple together very, very quickly. I'm going to make up some new problems for you guys. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dimes. 5 dimes, we count by 10 and we get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 cents. Let me see if I can double check that. Perfect. Right here. See, I have 5 dimes equals 50 cents. Now over here, I'm going to see how many nickels it takes to get 50 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far I'm at 25 cents. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 50 cents. Now it's showing that they are equal on both sides. Let's count this and make sure that's right. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 10 nickels equal 50 cents. And 5 dimes equal 50 cents. Who knows how many pennies it would take to equal 50 cents? How many pennies? I want you to yell out the number when you know it. Very good. 50 pennies would equal 50 cents. You all did so good today. I enjoyed counting money with you, and I hope that you enjoyed this book as much as I did. You can find it right in our benchmark universe, and feel free to read it as a fun, easy read aloud with your family. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.